What's up, my fellow content creators? How are you doing? I'm pretty sure that you clicked this video because you are looking for easy and best niches for TikTok and YouTube. This video will not disappoint you. I'm gonna show you 3 simple and viral niches and show you how to create videos for these niches using just one AI tool. You don't need to go around and spend hundreds of dollars for several AI tools. This one AI tool can create videos for all of these 3 viral niches within minutes. So, buckle up, we are going to start the process. The first viral niche of today's video is fake text stories. I would say this niche is one of the best ways to go viral on TikTok. The crazy thing is, this niche has several subcategories, such as cheating text stories, unreasonable bosses text stories, and Riz Up stories. You can select any of these subcategories and create videos. Let me show you how to create a video for this niche. For this process, I'm going to use VSub AI. This AI tool allows you to make many videos for different niches, and it is one of the best AI tools I have used for my content creation journey. Once you sign up for this AI tool, you need to select the Fake Text Story tab. Then, you will come to this page, which is where all the magic happens. Now, we need to create a fake chat story for this video. Let me show you another way to create a chat story like this with ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT and use this prompt to generate a story. You can use this prompt for any category in this niche. This is great. Now, let's copy these texts to VSub. As you can see here, first, we need to add the right side because in our story, the first message has come from Samantha. Let's copy the text to here. And just like this, you can add the left and right sides and copy the necessary text to these boxes. But if you don't want to add these text one by one, there is an easier way for that. You just need to click this import button and there is a data sample. And as you can see here, it's an Excel file. But they have added these text in a certain format. What you can do is ask ChatGPT to convert the text story for this format and copy it here. In this way, you don't have to add these text one by one. It will save a lot of your time. Now, I have added all the text to this, and let's customize this template. Go to settings, and we need to edit these 2 characters. The first character is Samantha. I'm gonna rename this to Samantha. Now, you need to select a suitable AI voice for this. This tool has all the AI voices from 11 labs. You can select any voice from here. Since this is a female character, make sure to select a female voice. Then you can add a photo to represent this character. Just download a photo from Google and add it here. It's really not a big deal. Then for the next character, do the same. I'm gonna add Alex as the name. And let's select a suitable male voice for this character as well. And I'm gonna add this picture for this character, which is downloaded from Google. Then I'm gonna go to this template and select this template. After that, all you need to do is click this Create Video option. Within several minutes, your video will be completed. When your video is completed, you will come to this page. You can use these options to edit the things like background music and background video, so it's up to you to make those changes. Now, let's see the final output.
Hey Alex, do you have a minute?
Of course, Samantha. What's on your mind?
I've been thinking a lot, actually. I'm going to put in my resignation.
Wait, what? Resignation? Why? Can we talk about this?
I've thought about it long enough. The promotion I was promised never happened, and I just can't keep waiting.
Samantha, I know things haven't been smooth, but let's not jump to conclusions. We need you here. You've been essential to this team.
I appreciate that. But Alex, I've given everything I have to this company. I've sacrificed personal time, energy, and still nothing.
I know, and I'm sorry. I should have handled things differently, but please don't leave like this. Let's figure something out.
It's not just the promotion, Alex. It's the broken promises, the lack of respect for my work, and I can't keep giving when nothing changes.
Samantha, you have no idea how much we rely on you. Without you, we'd be drowning in work. You keep everything together.
That's exactly the problem. I do all of this and it goes unnoticed. It's exhausting.
No, it doesn't go unnoticed. Believe me, we see it. I see it. You've kept this place running more than you know.
This is perfect. Now, let me show you the next best niche. I am sure that you have seen this niche on TikTok. This is called the Reddit Stories niche. This TikTok channel has 3.5 million followers. They only post these Reddit story videos. As you can see here, their top 2 videos have 21 million and 17 million views. And that's why you can go viral with this niche. Creating videos for this niche is super easy. It will only take like 2 minutes. First, you need to go to Reddit and find a story. I have found this Reddit story about a cheating wife. All you need to do is copy its URL and go back to VSub. Now you need to select this Reddit video template from here, then paste the link that we just copied and click this button. Within just several seconds, your video will be completed. Once it's completed, you will come to this page. where you can edit the subtitles and voiceovers as well. Go to this subtitle option and check these templates. These are pre-made subtitle templates, and I'm going to select this template. You can select any template that you prefer from these. And if you go to this Reddit option, you can change the script of the video and the voice as well. I'm going to select a new AI voice for this video, and let's regenerate the voiceover. And guys, that's all. You can simply download this video without any issue.
Just found out wife had an affair and I'm lost. My wife, 41, female of 10 years, just told me 47, male, she had an affair last night, and I'm mad, sad, crushed, hurt, and everything else you can feel. She said she hasn't felt important, that I haven't paid her attention, and that she didn't feel needed. It has happened several times. She told me he threatened to tell me and others if she didn't continue it. She finally felt so disgusted and guilt-ridden that she told me. She said she broke it off and told him never to contact her again. She said she loves me and wants to fix things and prove to me that this will never happen again. She doesn't want to break our family apart. We have a 5-year-old and 9-year-old daughter together. I left the house and went for a drive to process what I've just been told. I have no family or friends here really, as I moved 11 hours away from home so she could be closer to her family. I got hundreds of texts during the drive apologizing and begging me to let her fix it. That she loves me and only me, and it was a huge mistake and she hates herself for it. I don't know what.
Now, let's go to the third niche of today's video. I'm going to call this niche Creepy Facts Niche. This TikTok channel has gained 25,000 followers with only 32 videos. I'm going to show you a method to create videos for this niche. If you follow this exact method, you will be able to upload these videos to YouTube and monetize them as well. First thing we need is a video script for this creepy fact niche. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this process. I have created this specific prompt for that. You can use this prompt and just change the topic of the video. Then we need to generate some AI images for this script. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to convert this story to 10 image prompts like this. And then we can use an image generator like Leonardo AI to generate images using these prompts. Then you can use 11 Labs to generate voiceovers for this script. After you generate all the voiceovers, you can use a video editor like CapCut to edit all these materials and create the final video. But if you want to save time and all the trouble, follow these simple steps. Go to VSub AI and select this AI video option. Now you need to select a style from these templates. All of these templates are really amazing. We can use these for different niches, but for this creepy facts niche, I think this dark cinematic template is suitable. Let's select it. Now, you need to copy the script we generated using ChatGPT and paste it here. Then, let's click this Continue button. Just like before, once your video is completed, you will come to this page. I'm gonna go to this style and change the subtitle style. So, let's add these yellow color subtitle styles for this video. And if you think some of these images are not suitable for this script, you can replace those with new images. Let's download this video and see the final result.
When you're trapped in sleep paralysis, it feels like something is watching. It's not just your imagination. People all over the world report seeing shadow people. These dark, human-like figures often stand in the corner of the room, silently watching and waiting. Some even say they feel these figures moving closer, their cold breath brushing your skin. But no matter how much you scream inside, you can't move. They're always there, hovering at the edge of your vision. Many describe a terrifying weight pressing on their chest, like someone or something is sitting on them. This isn't just a nightmare. Some claim that this presence is an ancient demon or spirit, pinning you down, feeding off your fear. Legends across cultures say it's a creature sent to steal your breath while you're frozen in bed. The more you panic, the heavier it feels.
This is perfect. And guys, with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.